Welcome to the 2026 Yacht Motorhome, a $10 million mansion on wheels. Designed to redefine what it means to travel in luxury, this futuristic motorhome combines the sophistication of a private jet, the comfort of a five-star hotel, and the freedom of the open road. The exterior features a spaceship-inspired body with flowing aerodynamic lines, chrome detailing, and glowing blue LED accents. Its multi-wheel power chassis ensures stability, power, and smooth motion across any terrain. Step inside, and you're transported into a world of pure luxury. The living area includes futuristic leather seating with ambient lighting, panoramic smart glass windows, and a digital control system for climate, sound, and lighting. The bedroom feels like a floating suite, with a king-size bed, built-in smart panels, and ambient blue LED underglow that changes mood with your heartbeat. The kitchen is fully equipped with AI-assisted appliances, smart induction cooking, a digital refrigerator, and an illuminated bar counter with glass shelving. The bathroom redefines elegance. A glass-enclosed shower with automated temperature control, floating chrome sink, and futuristic mirror interface.